Good morning, Year 4. It's Wednesday, and this is our third maths lesson this week. You'll be pleased to know it's a much easier one than yesterday. Okay, so there won't be two videos, and the video will be shorter than yesterday. Okay, what I want to do is start today's hints and tips video by just overlearning some of that tricky work we did yesterday. Okay, so I've written 3 fractions on the board. Okay, a quarter, a half, and 3/4. And I want you to see if you can write their decimal equivalents. Okay, you need to pause the video and see if you can remember. And I'm going to draw a bar model on here that will help you if you need some clues. Okay, so pause your video. Okay, so here's the bar model that should give you some clues if you're not sure. Okay, so here we've got our whole, and we're thinking of deci meaning 100. Okay, so put in 100. Half of 100 is 50, and then divide in half again to make quarters. So half of 50 is 25. Okay, so hopefully that has helped us to think that our quarter is the same as 0.25. Our half is the same as 0.50. Okay, and hopefully you're shouting at the video saying that that's 0 because it's on the end of a decimal number. It's not actually worth anything. So a half is the same as 0.5, and 3/4 we need 25 plus 25 plus 25 is the same as 0.75. Okay, so the sooner you can remember those conversions between the fractions and decimals, the easier you're going to find it to go between them, because they are actually the same thing. Okay, right, on with today's lesson. So when we started learning about decimals, I told you that you're already experts in them and you could use your expertise to help you with the learning we're going to do in the classroom. Okay, and the reason you're already experts in them is you knew about money. Okay, so we were able to identify that £1, the decimal point, separated the whole pounds from the pence. So if I want to write £1 in pence, okay, then we should know that there are 100 pence in £1. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick activity to convert some pence into pounds. So I'm going to put on the whiteboard some amounts of money for you to convert pence into pounds. Alright, I'll do one example. Let's do 275 pence is the same as. It's really simple, okay, because money is always written to 2 decimal places. Alright, so these are our 1 pennies, these are our 10 pences. Alright, so, and then 2 place values in. That will be where your decimal point would go when you write it as pounds. Okay, so written as pounds, 2 decimal point places in, giving us £2.75. Okay, so to convert money from pence into pounds, you just need to come to place values to separate the pence, okay, from the whole pounds. One error that sometimes people make is they put a pence on the end. Okay, you only need to use pence if you're not using the pounds symbol. If you're using the pound symbol, there should be a decimal point and the pence written after. I've seen papers where if you write the pound symbol and the pence, the marking scheme tells you the answer is incorrect, okay? So just beware, either one or the other, either pence or pounds, but not both, okay? Right, so I'm going to put some pence for you to convert into pounds on the board. Okay, here they are, 465 pence, 1,000 pence and 99 pence. Okay, so just come in 2 decimal place values and put your decimal point to separate the pence from the whole pounds, okay? And then do that, pause the video, and then check your answers. Okay, so hopefully you should have £4.65, £10 and 0.99. Okay, 99, still 99 pence. All right, if you have written the P after, please rub it out. Okay, good. Okay, so for the first sheet, you just need to make sure you read the questions carefully and calculate accurately. And for the second sheet, okay, you need to make sure that you do explain your answer for number 5, okay, and work out how many different combinations there are for number 6, okay, and number 7 says circle your answer and give a reason for your choice. All right, those are the things that we sometimes forget to do. So enjoy your maths, have fun, and mark your work when you're done.